Morgan here with the human cannonball himself, Ryan Miser. We are here for the world's first human cannonball bar crawl in celebration of the launch of my new product, Captain Morgan Cannon Blast. We're gonna send this young man from one end of Wall Street to the other at 70 miles an hour, up to 5 stories in the air, reaching what, G's of about 7?
7 G's.
Are you ready for this?
Not yet.
You gotta stretch out a little bit. I love it. We're gonna let you get stretched out, get to it, and looking forward to seeing you in the air.
3, 2, 1.